For Java utensil scanner, then ang gagawin natin yung first case, basic input-output. Second case, conditional statement. Third case, looping conduct. Fourth case, array. 5, about your program. Or about 6 is exit. So, i-run natin para may convert. Type 1, enter. And height kasi sabi dito, enter your height. So, from 75, enter. Enter your weight. So, tapos, ang kalalabasan naman is your BMI. Number 2, enter your 2. Ang lalabas naman is enter your final grade. So, identify. Tapos number 3, sa case number 3 naman ang nakalagay, enter a number. Lalagay ko number 9. Case number 4, type 4, enter. Then, ang lalabas doon, student name. Number 5, type 5, enter. Ang lalabas doon is itong fundamental of program, final requirements, program by Catherine and Daloy, pangalan ko kasi ang program. So, type, then case 6, enter. Ang nakalagay is exit. So, ito lahat number 1, ito siya sabi sa inyo, case 1, case 2, enter, final. Number 4, 5, and 6.